So how are you just integrating with respect to dx? And getting
Okay, the question is, how are we just integrating with respect to x? So this is a question which goes back to last time. And what is it with arc length? I'm going to have to answer that question in connection with what we did today. So this is a subtle question, but I want you to realize this is actually an important conceptual step here. So shh, everybody listen. Right. If you're representing one-dimensional objects, which are curves maybe in space or in 2 dimensions, when you're keeping track of arc length, you're going to have an integral which is with respect to some variable. But that variable you get to pick. And we're launching now into this variety of choices of variables with respect to which you can represent something. Now, there are some disadvantages on the circle to representing things with respect to the variable x, because there are 2 points on the circle here. On the other hand, you actually can succeed with half the circle, so you can figure out the arc length that way, and then you can set it up as an integral dx. But you can also set it up as an integral with respect to any parameter you want. And the uniform parameter is perhaps the easiest one. This one is perhaps the easiest one. And so now the thing that's strange about this perspective, and I'm going to make this point later in the lecture as well, is that the letters x and y, you should, as I say, you should drop this notion that y is a function of x. This is what we're throwing away at this point. What we're thinking of is you can describe things in terms of any coordinate you want. You just have to say what each one is in terms of the others. And these x and y over here are where we are in the Cartesian coordinate system. They're not, and in this case, they're functions of some other variable. Some other variable. So they're each function. So the letters x and y just changed on you. They mean something different. X is no longer the variable, it's the function. All right? Well, you're going to have to get used to that. That's because we run out of letters, and we kind of want to use all of them the way we want. I'll say some more about that later.